So right now we're going to talk about iPhone 17 Air. Do you think this is the best phone? This is the thinnest phone, no doubt about that. Same as S25 Edge, but is this the right phone for you? Is this the perfect phone for you? Do you buy this phone because it's just so thin, it's so cool? Hey, you know what? Let me tell you some downside and maybe let you decide what you want to do with this phone. Is it the right phone for you, or should you get the iPhone 17, or should you get the Pro or Pro Max? So let me tell you something about iPhone 17. So first of all, we're going to talk about the battery. The battery itself is only 2100 milliamps, and the battery itself is a very tiny battery. If you use your phone a lot, let's just say you check out Instagram, Facebook, recording, videoing, and things like that, FaceTiming, WhatsApping, whatever you want every single day, this may not be a right phone for you because 2100 milliamps battery size is a very thin battery. However, they did say that if you put a portable battery at the back, then you will last another maybe 11 hours gaming time. But if you think about this, this is a very thin phone, right? Why would you want to put a portable battery behind a very thin phone, right? So you got to consider that because the battery itself is a killer. Now let's just talk about the speakers. So let's just say if you have an iPhone 13, 14, maybe even 15, and now you saw this phone really light, really small, maybe I should consider this. However, did you know the only one speakers? So you know all your phone right now is dual speakers, right? The top and the bottom. But this one here is only one speakers. Do you want one speakers? I'm not sure because I would consider that one speakers is a turning point because I'm used to dual speakers, right? Top and bottom. And in addition, there's no fast charge. This phone here only allow 20 watts and then that's it. Because I do think because the battery it will heat up very fast because a very thin phone you can basically touch the battery with this phone. So once you go fast charge, it will heat up pretty fast. So they do not want that. So they do not allow any fast charge on this phone. Pretty bummer. Now let's talk about this camera lens. As you can see, the camera lens has only one lens. Do you want one lens with a $1,200 USD? I mean, like if you look at the S25 Edge, it's more than one lens. But this one here is only one lens and has 48 megapixel. They put all these like sensor on the notch, which is pretty good consider how thin it is, but it's only one lens. There's no wide angle, there's no zoom in. They're only using digital zoom and that's it. Is this what you want, right? And the final point I would like to tell you is made of titanium. And titanium, there is a good side and a bad side. The bad side is it heats up pretty fast because there's no room to run. Okay, that's just basically titanium. You can feel the heat when you're holding the phone, and I have a strong feeling that this phone will heat up pretty fast. If you start watching YouTube, if you start doing video calling, like say FaceTiming, this phone will heat up very fast. So you might want to consider this because we tried this before. They tried this before. Titanium phone is going to heat up. They tried that before. So now iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, they are not using titanium anymore because they know it heats up quite fast. But however, on the iPhone 17 Air, they are using titanium. And yet, they did even say that the performance is going to be same as like the MacBook. So I'm not sure how they're going to cool down the system inside the phone. So I highly doubt it it's going to cool down. I'm pretty sure this phone will get heat up very fast. So these are the main points that you might want to consider before you want to get an iPhone 17 Air. Because I don't have a good feeling on this phone compared to S25 Edge. I would rather go for S25 Edge. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.